Hello everybody, you'll be here at St.Albert Dodge. Thanks for sticking around and checking out the exterior walk around with this 2020 Warlock. It is something different, right? I love it. This thing comes beefed up. You get the jacked up package, aftermarket rims, aftermarket tires. This is definitely aftermarket and unique. The Ram lights up. I can only imagine what it looks like coming down the road in the wintertime, or nighttime, sorry. Winter's coming. We got our powder coated bumper. We got our recovery hooks. Love the sport appearance hood. Like I said, this thing's all black on black. You come on back, we got our black running boards. This thing's also tinted out. Check out those rims. They really stick out good with this vehicle. We got our Warlock badging on the back. This thing is very, very well maintained. Powder coated bumper on the back. They even got the taillights tinted. Black logo, badging, sorry. Got our backup camera, 4-pin or 3-pin, ready to go, ready to tow, dual exhaust, spraying box liner, soft dampening tailgate. Let's check out the inside. Hello everybody, thanks for sticking around, checking out the interior of this 2020 Ram Warlock Edition. This thing is absolutely a beauty on the inside as it is out. Start over here, we got our power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Right here on our left hand of our console over here, just by our lights. We have another little button here for our lights that are in front that lit up. The previous owner really took pride in light red. This thing comes also with the trailer brake, heated seats, heated steering wheel, lots of storage space. I love the 2-tier compartment here. But looky. Got a sunroof too, folks. You don't see that around very often, so this thing's absolutely unique. Power windows, power locks, power seats. This thing's power sunroof, very well maintained. If you got any questions, feel free to give me a shout. That's St. Albert Dodge, 780-220-3822. Have a great day.